recent clients that's coming up, so give me a second. Okay. I'm up right now. I look crazy. I need to hook up my microphone. I gotta get ready and stuff, so let me freshen up and everything. Yes, Lonnie. I gotta do a hair review too today, so I'm about to get ready and everything, get the kids ready, you know, for the day, whatever. Eat breakfast, you know, and then I'ma just finish what I gotta finish. So I'll see y'all later.
See past things that are within our identity.
I just gotta get ready. I done got them ready, so let me get myself ready. I gotta clean my room up first. I just washed my hair, right? Now I'm about to slick it down. I might do a part in the middle, but I'm about to slick it down. The hair I got was from Amazon, so this is the hair. It's a headband wig, so I'm gonna be putting like a different headband on with the wig, but I got this from Amazon. I'm gonna put everything below in the description. You gotta be slicked down. I feel like I post more of Instagram content instead of YouTube content, so that's what y'all getting from me right now. We gonna be using this first. I could just throw this on, right? I could just throw the scarf on. Throw this on my head. Make sure it's down, tight. I know the back could be flat, right? And then after that, I can just throw this on. I hear you, Jason. I finally got it, y'all. So, I might use a blow dryer to blow this down. I'm gonna just distract myself and then I'll be able to do my hair. So you know what I might do too, being able to stay down, I might just have to once I take this off, out the way what I needed to get out of the way. What I'm about to do right now, I'm gonna get my blow dryer, I'm gonna get my wig cap, I want to go get some of my lashes. I'm not wearing any makeup today, it's too damn hot for that. I don't really need it, but I really don't. I'm sorry if this lens is focusing in and out. I don't need no makeup. I just wear it for fun. This is in the way. This is in my way. Sorry, y'all. Anything up. I'm trying to see how far. That's something I should have just left it down. I mean, I could still. Let me see. I could still slick it with some gel. So I got it where I want it. This is good enough, right? So what I'm gonna do now is look at Chase back there. So I'm gonna show y'all how I look in the mirror. Like, it's cute. It's cute. Technically, I don't know what I'm putting on my feet right now yet. I got them right now. I got this top on with these pants and then my socks. Try to find what I could find for my feet. So y'all know what I'm about to do, take some damn pictures. Okay? Say hey everybody. Hey me. Hey. So y'all see me. He know I'm taking the picture. He know. I'm posting right now. Say hey, Jace. Look, Jace, say hey. I need to get out this damn room. I've been in this room all goddamn day. Getting them ready, getting myself ready. I could probably go downstairs and do something. Writing down the clients, the rest of the clients for this month, because I recently got two or three clients. It's gonna be in this book. I'll write everything down in this book, clients I have and stuff like that. So let me move this out the way because I don't want this in the way. So I wrote down for this month. I have about 2 or 3 more clients that recently booked, and I have to write down their names and everything, and then what they basically paying for, the service they basically chose, and what the price. I have to write the price down and everything. So I'll just keep everything in this book, and also on FreshBooks. I also have everything up on FreshBooks to keep everything, you know, together and intact. I'm gonna get ready to write that down now. I don't know if you're gonna watch me. Some clients, someone paid the deposit already. So I'm gonna get ready to write down recent clients that's coming up. So give me a second. So right now what I'm about to do, clean up before I cook. I'm about to make some macaroni with fried chicken and beans. So apparently I'm about to get ready to finish up. See y'all. I'm gonna see y'all next time. That was it for today's video. You know, I feel like I did enough, but yeah, just stay tuned for another video, and I'll catch y'all later.